Hi, Iker.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What are you going to do today?
We're gonna make some drums.
Drums? Cool. What are you going to use to make the drums?
We're gonna use this.
Show me.
Look. We're gonna use this for we could not do it like this. So we could just do like this. Now that we have sticks, now we could do with this, but it's not so good. We're gonna to decorate it. We could decorate it with this if we would like. We could have some tape, and we could get some of these.
Okay, but you have to show me a little longer and show me right over here on the table.
And we could use this.
What is that?
Glue.
Glue. Cool. And what are those sticks? Where are they from? What kind of sticks are they?
Mexican.
No, they're not. They're from the Chinese food place. They're chopsticks, no? Yeah. Show me. Where can someone find those sticks?
From Chinese.
Chinese food? Yeah?
Yeah.
If you order Chinese food?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have tape. And we have this.
What is that?
Big, shiny sticks.
Cool. So they're like twisties, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We have some small paper, like stick paper.
Yeah.
And we're gonna need some balloons that we don't have.
Where are we gonna get the balloons?
From somewhere that we buy.
A store?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Iker, where are we?
We are at the store.
And what are we looking for?
Balloon.
Okay, let's look. Look for them.
This is the place about Valentine's.
Valentine's? There's a lot of letters here, huh? Look, there's party stuff here. Do you think the balloons are here?
I don't see them.
You don't see them? Let's look around. Are they over here?
No.
I
found it.
Where?
Up there.
Those are balloons up there? That's not the balloons we need.
They're
What about
too small.
what about those? Do you see other balloons?
Yeah, but they're
Which
too
ones?
small.
Which ones?
This
That
and
one?
those.
What about that on the backs?
They're good.
Yeah? Pick the colors you want.
The colors could be these.
How many do you want?
All of these.
All of those? Okay. Want to take one bag or two?
One bag could be 5.
Okay, let's go.
Look how many they are.
Do we need anything else for our project? For the drums?
No.
No? Is that it? So we have everything we need?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's look for some cans. What if we look for some cans?
And I know there could be perfect.
The cups? Yeah, those could work. We could also make some toys with the cups.
But they're too small for our rubber band. Our rubber bands are big.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Oh, look. Do you want something else to decorate? Do you want to decorate with anything?
We already have so much decorating.
We do? All right.
at our home.
Okay. Let's go then. Okay, Iker. Now what do we do?
Now that we have the balloons, now we can make it. We have the plastic, the drumsticks, these that I already told you what they are.
What are they?
Papaya.
Rubber bands?
They were rubber bands. These could be jewels. And we have the glittery golden stick. And we have the tape and we have to decorate.
Okay, so what do we do first to make the drums?
So first we get one of these and then we have to cut it.
We can cut open the bag for the balloons first. It'll be easier.
We can start like that and then cut, and cut. Now that we have it, we could get the ones that we like. Green, orange, yellow, blue, pink, dark red, and that's like it. Now that we have all 6, now we could start with all of these. First we just have to cut it, but first we have to make it big.
Ooh, that's gonna be tough. Can I help you? Wow. Can I help you?
Yes.
Alright, I can help you blow it up. What happens if you let it go?
It goes down.
You're gonna pop it if you cut it with the scissors.
Actually, that wasn't the idea.
Oh, okay.
We just cut it like this, and then we could just put it, we have to stretch it out, but we first have to cut it how big it could reach to be perfect. This could be enough. Now let's just try to open up. Now that we opened it, now we could open the rest.
You need help? I can help you.
I think I got it.
You think you got it? Okay.
I did it. And now we just have to stretch.
Daddy can help you if you want, okay? Okay, now that we have one stretched out. Wow, that sounds really good, Iker. Do we want to put something on there so it doesn't move? Maybe a rubber band or tape?
Rubber band should be good.
That one's really big. You want to find a smaller one? There's a lot of rubber bands. Try a smaller one.
This one is actually pretty good.
Wow.
It's fit good.
Let's see. Tap it. How does it sound? That's a very good sounding drum. It's like a hand drum. Are you gonna make another one?
Yes. But first we just have to cut it.
Watch your fingers.
So. No. Papá, cut it y después ayúdame.
Okay, now you have 2 drums. That's a very good job, Iker. Here you go. What are you gonna do now?
Now we have to decorate it.
Do you want me to put tape around it before we put the stickers? Or do you like it like that? You could do it any way you want.
It could be good with tape first. With a color tape called green. Papá, cut it porque no la puedo sacar bien.
Okay, I can help.
For the drumsticks, I'm gonna put a balloon and some tape for it sounds different.
That's really nice. That's a good idea, Iker.
So first, we have to stretch this out until it looks like this.
Okay. How does it look?
Nice.
Yeah.
Now we just have to take this off. Now we could tape this like that. And it looks we just have to get some more tape. This should be enough. Now that we have it like this, now let's do that and this and just put it like that, and now let's see how it could sound.
That might be a good idea so it doesn't pierce the balloon on top for the drum.
The tape is blocking the way. The only way to do it is without tape. Now that we have it off, now we could finish. Stretch it out. Grab it like this. It won't sound because it has this blocking. So how, Papa Masito?
All right, now you have a finished drumstick the way you want it.
It sounds a little bit different, but not so different.
Okay, do you want to decorate both cans, both containers?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. And these are regular food containers that you can find at any food delivery or any leftover from anything you buy from the store. So these are just leftover stuff. Let's decorate these containers.
Now we finished decorating. Now the drums are good. 1, 2, 3, 4.
they sound so cool.
I know.
Do they sound the same if you tap it with your hands? Wow, they sound very good. They're very good drums.
Now if we want to make a double drum, we just need to tape this and that together. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, I hope you subscribe.